What's going on? In this video, I'm going to show you everything that you need to know on how to pack your Facebook group or your Skool community into a group of people that are raving fans and are really just ready to buy your coaching program or consulting program, right? So first things first, if you don't know who I am, my name is Augusto and I help online coaches and consultants basically blow their business out of the water with a proven system that just works. And I coined it the AVX system. I'm not going to talk about that today, but if you want to learn more on how that works, just go watch the YouTube video pinned in my channel because it'll tell you everything that you need to know. And I give you everything out for free, which is pretty cool. So first things first, you've probably seen other coaches and consultants have a Facebook group community, which is nice. They have a community of raving fans, or they just have a big group of people in there. Two, it's not needed. That reason that I'm doing this video is because last week I had a consultation with an online coach, and one of the questions she asked was, how do I grow a Facebook group community? So I thought that would be a great idea to create a YouTube video, which my goal today is to make this video shorter than 15 minutes. So I'm watching the time here and I'm just running quickly over this. You don't need this to be a successful business owner, a successful online business owner. It's a nice to have, but if you're going to do it, I'm just going to teach you the right way to do it. So we're going to jump right into it and show you how it's done and the best way to do so. So let's jump right into it. Okay, if you've watched my video that's pinned in my YouTube channel, don't go now, but if you've watched it, you've probably seen this. It looks very familiar. However, today we're literally just talking about this small area, which is how to use paid media to get own leads or people inside of your community, or if you already have an organic following, how to use that and leverage that to bring them into a closed community, like a Facebook community or a Skool community. So let's just jump right into it. Don't worry about this. I talk about this in the YouTube video pinned in my channel. Excuse me. Today, we're going to talk about this area and I'm going to run right into it. So pay attention, sit down, grab a cup of coffee, take notes, whatever you need to do to make sure that you get started today if you really want to. Before we dive in though, I really want to make sure this is really clear in your head on how this stuff works, right? So this is a very simple funnel on how your leads jump into different stages in your business, right? You finish with closes, but in order to get closes, you need people inside your funnel. This I call acquisition, and then they go into your ecosystem, and then you go into setting, calls, and closes. Cool? Pretty simple. Today, however, we're just gonna talk about this ecosystem area. Ecosystem is the place where your community congregates, and they are there, and basically you send them emails, or you post stories, or you have a broadcast channel in IG, which by the way, I hate those. I just don't know why they make them. Or you have a Facebook community, or you have Skool. That's your ecosystem. From there, you transition your leads into setting or into calls, and then ideally into closes and clients, right? So we are talking about this today, and the way we get people here is through acquisition, through ads, through a good landing page, through the right messaging, adding the right friction so that you get the right people in your ecosystem. Friction meaning you don't just want a big Facebook group or big Skool community because that number is going to rub off really well with your ego. You really want people that you want to be there. Cool. So let's just jump right into it. You either have an audience or you want to build an audience. However, you can also have both. You can have an organic audience and you want to build an audience too. So with building an audience, we want to use ads. It's the easiest way and it's the most predictable way, right? With organic, the thing here is that you're either depending on the algorithm gods to bless you with a viral thing, and if you're just posting and praying, you are not going to build a predictable business. You're going to be always inside of your business trying to figure out the best trending sounds, trying to figure out the best hooks, the best whatever, the best trends. You're going to be dancing around looking dumb. So we just don't want to depend on organic. We want to have a good solid ads foundation that you can use for predictable growth, and I teach all of that in my the YouTube video links, right? So when you post something on your stories, or when you have an ad, or in this case when you want to build a Facebook group or a Skool community, first thing that you want to ask yourself is, why would anyone give me their time. Like, what am I giving them in return for them to actually go through this process to actually just join my Facebook group, right? There's a funnel, and in every step of the way, you're gonna lose leads. So every time you post something, it's like, why would they give you your time, right? We do so by providing incredible value to your community. When I'm being incredible value, it's not just IG Reels, okay? It's something better. Especially nowadays, there's so much content out there. You have to put yourself a little bit above your competition. Literally give shit for free, right? So either have a 5-video course on how to make sure you cook the best healthy meals ever and how to put that into your diet so you can actually lose fat, for example. Or if you're an online dating coach, a video course that goes through like the dating funnel. Dating is a fucking funnel. This way, what you're gonna do is basically 5 videos. The first video is like how to make sure your dating, your dating app profile, your app dating profile is good to convert people into conversations, which is the second video. How to do conversations. The third video is how to ask people on a date. Fourth video is best perfumes, best places to go, best idea dates, and then the 5 is like what to do actually on the date. I just gave you a great idea if you're a dating coach. Do a video course, but gatekeep it inside of your community. Or if you are somebody that has a lot of podcasts and you have like a very special guest, only release that interview with your community. Or do a PDF of like best and worst exercises to do to grow your arms or chest, right? Or best and worst stock picks in the year 2023 if you're a financial guy. Give free shit, like literally just provide something of immense value so that they understand that they're giving you their time because you know that you're giving them something of value that they want and it's gonna give them a win. So that's on lead magnets. Pretty short and sweet, right? So in order to unlock this offer, you're gonna send them to a landing page. Just a landing page. The reason why we want a landing page is because we want their information. We want their email, ideally their phone number, and their name, right? Because you want to own the leads. If you want to own the leads in Skool or own the leads in Facebook groups, like Skool can just shut down your community and then you lose all your leads. Or Facebook group, your Facebook group gets banned, you lose all of your leads. This way, if you have a landing page and an opt-in, you own your leads because they're gonna opt into your stuff. You're gonna have all their emails. You can always export those emails every week or whatever. So you own those, right? You have a super simple landing page and an opt-in. The landing page is the promise. Hey, if you want the free 5 best online dating course using my mechanism to get this result, then give me your details and I'll give it to you for free. They're gonna opt in. They're gonna go through the landing page, which is gonna be super short and super sweet. They're gonna opt in, and in the thank you page, you're gonna give them the link to your Facebook group. Hey, congratulations on opting in. To unlock your whatever the name of the thing is, just click here and join my free Facebook community, and I'm gonna give you that. And on top of joining, inside of the community, I'm also gonna have this. So you're stacking your offer with a bunch of shit. And the reason why you want to stack your offer is because you want to make it absolutely clear and easy for the person to go through this and actually just go and join your community. Plus, as a bonus, they're going to get a bunch of shit, right? Which is a great thing. So if you have a bunch of lead magnets already recorded or already done for your market, put them on your Facebook community or your Skool. Just have them there for free. And that way you can reel more people in and you're going to have better raving fans. Easy, super simple. In that 40-second video, don't pitch them on a call, don't pitch them anything else. Just say, hey, congrats, by the way, this is actually me. Now that you actually have access, click on the button below to join my free Facebook community, and the first post there is the thing that you opted in for. And if you can, even better, just do a Loom video of showing them what it is or how to get it. To show them, click here, in 2 links you're gonna have it. Click here, join the Facebook community, answer the questions, more on that later. And somebody on my team is gonna give it to you, or once you're in, it's right there. Cool. Now, a little hack and a little tip for you guys and girls. A little tip that cost us a lot of money. most people are going to opt into your Facebook group through mobile phones, right? Through the mobile phones. Here's the thing, with iPhones, I don't know Android, with iPhones, if you're doing this process on your phone, if you're doing the landing page and opt-in, when they click that link to join your Facebook group, it's gonna open their browser most of the times, and their browser doesn't have their login information, so it's gonna ask them to log into Facebook. And honestly, I don't fucking remember my Facebook password the last time I logged in. Most people are gonna drop off. Most people are gonna be like, nah, I don't even know like my password. I don't even know anything of this. So as a hack, to hack this and to make sure people go into your Facebook group, use a deep link app. This one here is the one I use. It's called Tap the Link. Use it for free. You're welcome. What this is gonna do is when people click the link that you create through this app, it's gonna open in the app. They're already logged in. It's gonna open right into your Facebook group community, right? So it's gonna make it much easier for them to join. So now your conversion rates to the Facebook group are gonna be much higher. Super simple. Cool. Now the next thing that you want to do is, okay, we're 11 minutes in. I'm gonna be much quicker. The next thing that you want to do is, once they opt in, you're gonna send them an email 10 minutes later. Not right away, not 5 minutes later, not 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Remember this, 10 minutes. The reason why is because when you're opting in through shit on Instagram that you find through an ad, listen, people are just gonna opt in because they want the thing and forget about it. That's just the truth of the game. You want to make it easier for them to opt in to join the Facebook group. What's going to happen is they're going to click the thing, they're going to get on Facebook, answer a couple questions and forget about it. 10 minutes later, when they're scrolling still or when they're in lunch or whatever, they're going to get an email from you saying, hey, is this what you wanted, right? They're going to remember again, go through the process again, make sure they're in the Facebook group. And ideally in less than 10 minutes, they're already in the Facebook group. So in that email, when you give them the link with this, they're already inside of the Facebook group. So now they're more committed. They're going to go through the thing. Hope that makes sense. I know I'm going super quick. By the way, more on emails. I have a completely free training on email training. Wow. A free training on emails. I give you everything. I give you so much free game. It's in my YouTube video, in my YouTube channel. So go check that out if you want more about this. Right. So I touched on the psychology. Facebook ads are low intent, meaning people are not actively looking for your thing. They went scrolling. They saw the thing that you're giving out for free to join a Facebook group. So they're low intent. You're interrupting their scrolling. So we want to make sure these ads are good. And the reason why I want to do 10 minutes later and not right away. All right. Now let's jump into. Guys, hold on. There's more stuff here. Oh yeah. So for ads, I forgot I wrote this. So for ads, I'm gonna give you a little masterclass on ads, right? Super simple. Make your ad super simple. Make it super clear on the problem that they have. Make it super clear in the solution. So let's go back to the dating example. If you're a busy entrepreneur, you're struggling to go out on dates because you just don't have the time to do so. In this free 5 video course, I'm gonna teach you everything that you need to do so you can actually accelerate your dating process. And in 5 days, I'm gonna get you more dates than ever before without having to leave your house. I just make that up. The problem is they have no time to make sure their dating app is good, or they have very bad pictures. You're gonna teach them how to do that, and you're just gonna highlight the problem that they're not getting any matches on any dating app, or that they just have no game. So when they go to a bar, because they work so much in their business, because they're entrepreneurs, they have no game. So you're gonna give them game in those videos. Wow, this example is really good. I really hope somebody uses this. So give them the clear problem. This is your problem. Be very clear. Speak their language. Be very clear in the solution, the free mini course, and you have make a framework about it. The 5 F's framework. I don't know. I just make that up. Make something up, and then in 5 days, they're gonna get the result. And what to do to get it? Click the link below and whatever. You send them to the landing page with the opt-in, with all that stuff. But that's your ad right there. I just made it for you. Super simple. If you're a dating coach, use this. Okay? Do story ads, reel ads, static images, and hire from Upwork to do really great designs. That's it. Cool. So that's your mini game on ads. We're 15 minutes in. I'm gonna rush through it again. And now, once they're in the Facebook group, this is a whole game out of itself. Probably gonna make another training. If you want me to do a full training on how to make sure your Facebook community is like engaging and you convert more people from it, comment below if you want it. I'll probably make something about it. So now they're in the Facebook group. Once they click on that ad that you created with the app that I give you, once they click on that link, the Facebook group is going to be they have to click to join, right? So make sure that the banner is very clear on what they're getting. Join this Facebook group to get this thing, click here to join. Like, make it very clear, right? So make a clear banner on who it is for. Again, hire somebody from Upwork to do it, and just remind them about the freebie that they opted in, right? In the membership questions, you want to do this. Qualify people. You want high value people in your community. So ask members to qualify qualify your leads, and please don't be afraid of rejecting people. Like, literally don't be afraid of rejecting people. So honestly, like, if you're getting a high volume, reject like 70% of people. I know that sounds crazy, but the more value your community is, the better engaging, the better people are gonna be in there. So 50 to 70% rejection rate, I think it's fine, honestly, if you're getting high volume. Maybe at first, if you're just beginning the thing, you want more people in to get more social proof that there's people in your group, but that's another story. Now, inside the Facebook group, have the free thing be pinned on the top, very easily accessible, and right on caps. Start here and unlock your freebie or whatever the name is. Have it there to people to go over. It could be a Loom video, it could be Loom video 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you're doing the dating thing, I'm still going with that example because that was so fucking gold, man. I really hope somebody uses it. And yeah, again, this is a different training for a different day, like how to do community growth, engagement, sales, and all that stuff. But again, this is how you grow your Facebook community or your Skool community using ads and using the power of ads. It's super simple. Once you have this cranking, done, game over. You're gonna get people in your Facebook group, you're gonna have people in your Skool, and you can start nurturing people there, right? So let me know if that was helpful in the comments below, or just give me a thumbs up. It helps a lot. And if you have any questions, any ideas on anything that you want me to do on any trainings, let me know and I will be more than happy to do so. Again, if you want to learn more about how this entire process works and how I've been able to help a bunch of coaches, online coaches and online consultants scale their business tremendously by using ads and using this process here with setters and closers and all that, watch the YouTube video pinned on my channel. I literally tell you everything. It's a lot of free game, and hope this helps, and I'll see you on the next one.